Okay, so hi guys, I welcome you to the session 4 on the bar chart, and this would be our final session for the same. Now, this is a fantastic set on bar chart, and this is something you should expect in CAT because this would have this question will basically check your basic concepts. This will have questions based on just pure observations as well as some calculations. Okay, so let's try and get this set. Okay, a management institute was established on January 1, 2000. Okay, with 3, 4, 5, and 6 faculty members in the marketing, OB, finance, and OM. To start with, no faculty members retired or joined the institute in the first 3 months of the year. Okay, so till April 1, 2000, the situation was same. So it was like 3, 4, 5, and 6 members in the respective departments of marketing, OB, finance, and OM. Now, in the next 4 years, the institute recruited one faculty member in each of the 4 areas. Okay. So what happened is that finally, the final year, so till 2003, say April 2003, the situation was that you had 4, 5, 6, and 7 teachers. Okay. All the new faculty members who joined the institute subsequently over the years were 25 years old at the time of joining the institute. Okay. All of them joined the institute on April 1. Okay. So April 1 is basically the start point. April 1, 2000. During these 4 years, one of the faculty members retired at the age of 60. Okay. So see, out of these 4, one has to be a reduced value. It has to be something like 4, 5, 6, 6, maybe 4, 5, 5, 7, maybe 4, 4, 6, 7, and maybe 3, 4, 3, 5, 6, 7. So one person has to go also. Okay, and he is retiring at the age of 60. Okay. The following diagram, only one person during these 4 years, one of the faculty members. Okay. The following diagram gives the area-wise average age in terms of the number of the completed years. Okay. Of faculty members as on April 1. Okay. See, so this is April 1. So this is age completed. For example, see this. On April 1, they are computing. So this is the information given on April 2001. This is the information given on the April 1, 2001. This is the information given on April 1, 2002. And this is the information given on April 1, 2003. Okay. Of the completed years that I am 30 years old. I'm 30 years old. Okay. For example, someone's 30th birthday is on May, is in May 2001. So his average age would have been taken to be 29 because this is the number of completed years. Okay, this is what they want to say from this line in terms of the number of completed years. Okay. Now let's see this. Let's try and see the question. So we'll get it. From which area did the faculty member retire? Okay. See this. Try to get this question. See, if there were 3 members in marketing and no one was added. This was the situation in 2000 and no one was added in the next year, till the next year. So obviously their average age, the number was same. If here their average was 49.33, here the average should have been 50.33. Because see, no one is getting added up, only the age is increasing by 1 of each and every person, so the average age will also increase by this. So you see these values, like this is 44 to 45, 45 to 46. So obviously there has been no addition. See, this is 2001, so there has been no addition in this. And moreover, see, try to see this. If you try to see this, the average age is somewhat like 45 to, see, at the start of 2000, the average age is somewhat like 49, 50, 50, 45, somewhere around about 45 to 50. So if to any department a person from an age 25 is added, obviously in the next year there will be a sharp drop in the average. Why? Because see, this is 25, and if you talk about marketing, so 3 persons are of age 49.33. Okay, so 3 persons are of age 49.33. So what they'll do is they'll basically bring it up. So what they'll do is they'll subtract some value from themselves, and this value will be added to this 25-year-old. And obviously you can say that since the number is very less, the average would happen. See, if even they give 5555 each, see, if they give 49.33 is the average, even if they give 55 na, so this would be somewhat like, see, 555, so this would be 40, and they would be at an average of 45. And then if they are 40, so they have to give somewhat like 1 each. So if they'll give 1 each, this would be something like 43, and they will be 44. Then some more has to be given. So you try to see this, that the average reduced sharply. Okay, the average reduced sharply, and so would be the other thing. See this. So if someone is getting added to this group or to this team, obviously there will be a sharp fall in the average. Okay, see this. So we can clearly see that in marketing the average fall is in 2001. In OB the sharp fall is in 2003. In finance the sharp fall is in the year 2002. And in this the sharp fall is in the year 2001. Okay, the sharp fall is in 2001. See this, 45 to 43 it is getting reduced. Okay. Now also just try to see this. So since the average is somewhere around 45 to 50 at the start, so if someone of age 60 leaves out, obviously the average will reduce. But it won't be a very sharp drop. See, the average will definitely reduce, and it will reduce. Okay, so this would be something like this, but it won't be a very sharp drop, because see this, in this you have to cover round about 25 to 45. So this is mostly a gap of 20 or 25. In this, if you see, the gap is mostly of 15 to 10. So there will be a drop, but it won't be a very sharp drop. Okay, so we have 3 cases. When 25 added, a sharp drop. When 60 added or removed, a drop but not that sharp. And then we have a situation ki nothing happened, no addition, no deduction, so obviously the average increased by +1. Okay, so we can clearly say, now try to go with this, now try to see this. If you try to see this, now you need not solve this. From which area did the faculty member retire? Very easy. Okay, just see this. If you try to see this in this graph, if you see marketing, so there is just a single drop, and that is also sharp. So obviously in marketing it is added. There is all, then there is increment of 1. There is an increment of 1, there is an increment of 1 for OB, then there is a sharp drop. Okay, okay, there is a sharp drop because 25 wale age has to add up. So basically this cannot be, OB cannot be the answer, marketing cannot be the answer because there is a single drop. Okay, and you have to add a 25-year-old to each department. Now try to see finance. See, there is a drop, there is another sharp drop. So obviously the finance is the answer. Now this is the time when 25 year was added to this, and this is the time when 60 year was removed from this. So obviously the finance is the answer. I think you got this. Even if you see OM, so see this. This is increment of 1, increment of 1. There is just a single drop, and that has to be because of the addition of 25-year-old. Okay. So this was a very good question. Now let's see the next question. Okay. Let's remove this. Okay, let's remove this. Okay. So Professor Naresh and Devesh, two faculty member in the marketing area who have been with the institute since its inception. Okay. So they have been there with April 1, 2000. Okay. Who have been with this share a birthday which falls on the 20th November. Okay. One was born in 1947. Okay. So 1947 and 2000. So what would be the age? 53. 20th November. Okay. So on 20th November his age would be 23. And for this it would be 50. On April 1, 2005, what was the age of the third faculty member who has been in the same area since inception? Okay. So if you talk about marketing, so obviously marketing had 3 persons. So 49.33 into 3. See, at April 1, 2000. So this was 1 plus 49 into 3 is, so this would be 147. So this would be nothing but 148. This is the entire age that they have. Okay. And this is their age. This is the age of Naresh and Devesh on November 20, 2000. But see, this 148 or this average was computed in terms of the number of the years completed. So this was rather 52. As on April 1, 2000, this was 52 and this was 49. So the other person's age on April 1, 2009 was, see this, 49 plus 52, that is nothing but 6101. So this was 47 years old. Okay. So he was 47 year old. Now what they are asking is on April 1. So obviously on April this, see this, on April 2000 he was this. So on April 1 he would be 48. ठीक है 48. On April 2002 he would be 48, he would be 49. 2003 he would be 50. Similarly he would be 52. So on April 1, 2005 he would be 52 years old. See, this was a good catch. Now why it was this? Because you had to have look at this term in terms of the number of the year completed, and their birthday was falling on 20th November. So you could not take 53 or 50. You had to take 52 and 49. So this was a very good question. Okay. Even if you didn't get it right at the first go, it's normal because it is a good question. Okay. And anyone could have done it wrong. It is very important that you read, but you couldn't have done this question wrong. This is very easy. This is super easy once you get the graph. Okay. So just try to get the graph and then there will be simple mathematical concepts. Okay. Now let's see this. So in which year did the new faculty member join the finance area? Obviously, see this. This is also very important. Once you get the concept, it is very easy. So obviously he joined the institute in, see this is 2000, this is 2001, this is 2002. So he joined in 2002. I've already told you that if there is a sharp drop, it has to be because of the addition of the new faculty member. So the 2000 was the answer. What was the average age of the new faculty member who joined the OM area as on the April 1, 2003? Okay. So they are talking about the OM. Okay. Just try and see this. Let's try and clear it off. Let's just try to see this. What was the age of the new faculty member who joined the OM area as on the April 1, 2003? See, in which year did he join? He joined in the year 2001. Okay. So if you talk about, so 43 was the average. Now, how many faculties you had for OM? 6. But now there was an addition in the year 2001. So 43 into 7. Okay, just trying to see this. See, in 2000 the average was 45 into 6. So 45 into 6 is 90, 180, 270. So this was the total sum of age that they had. Okay, in 2001 it would be 276. That is, for every person one would be added, na? So the total sum would be 276. Whereas when the new person was added, the average age came out to be 21, 28, 301. Oh, basically he was 25 obviously. Okay, so 301. I did a very silly thing in this. So obviously we have been told that in this he was 301. So he was 25 years old when he joined in. Okay, just did it, but there was nothing to be done in this. What was the age of the new faculty member who joined the OM area as on the April 1, 2003? So obviously, see, he joined in here. See, he joined here and he was 25 years old. So here he would be 26. Here he would be 27. Okay, so the answer is 27. So once you got the concept, and this is something which indeed you'll find questions like these in CAT. This was an awesome question. Once you got the concept, you could have done all the 4 questions correct. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this session. I enjoyed it very much because this was a very good question. So thank you for watching the session. I hope you enjoyed it, and we have wrapped up the bar graph. In the next sessions, in the next series of session, we'll be starting with the line graphs. Okay, so yes, that's all from the video. Thank you.